This short video is about using Hunsworth hole clamps for temporary assembly and welding work. Each hole clamp consists of two parts, a zinc-plated screw and a knurled brass thumb nut. The thumb nut is pushed through the holes of the items fitted together, and the knurled brass thumb nut is screwed on. No tools are needed for this. The items here on the table are just oddments with holes already in them, which I am using for demonstration purposes. In this example, the bracket is already bolted to the angle with two hole clamps, as shown. If we had an angle bracket with just a single hole clamping the angle, it can be set as required before tightening up. Just position the thumb screw through there. Now just position the angle as required, whatever's wanted, and just tighten it up. This is ideal for temporary work, such as for displays or exhibitions. If the work is to be permanent, it can be welded at the edges and then the hole clamps removed. An example of using hole clamps for welding work will be for welding fittings to a security toolbox. A couple of holes would be drilled in the side of the box and the fitting bolted on using two hole clamps, as per that. The fitting is then welded round the edges and the hole clamps removed. After removal, the two holes can then be welded up and ground smooth. Lastly, if the item to be fitted has larger holes, then a couple of penny washers or oversized washers can be added to the assembly. This is then put through the hole as per that. The item with the large holes is then put on the top. The other penny washer like that, and then roughly it's just tightened up. There's still movement now, and when the exact position is found, tighten it up, still by hand. At the end of this video, I am going to put instructions on how and where to obtain these hole clamps on eBay. Thank you for watching.